Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting topic of moment generating function. Let us consider one problem. A random variable capital X as the moment generating function Mx of t equal to 3 by 3 minus e power t. So using this moment generating function, we have to find the mean of X. Okay, so what is given? Moment generating function is given, that is mx of t equal to 3 by 3 minus e power t. What is our target? We find a mean value, that is nothing but what? Mean equal to expected x, that is nothing but it is denoted by mu. How to find a mean value? That is nothing mx dash of t, substitute t equal to what? 0. Okay, so how to differentiate this one? We know what is differentiation of 1 by x, that is equal to minus 1 by x square. After that, when you differentiate x, we get 1. Okay, so using this formula, I am going to differentiate with respect to t here. We can write, so now we find mx dash of t by using this formula. Okay, so we consider 3 is constant, take outside. What is differentiation of 1 by x square? 1 by x minus 1 by x square, so we get minus 1 by x square, right? What is x square? X value 3 minus e power t whole square. Okay. Once again differentiate with respect to x here. When you differentiate constant is 0, what is differentiation of e power t? E power t, substitute t equal to 0. Okay, if you simplify this, we get 3 what? Minus 1 into minus e power t by 3 minus e power t whole square. Okay, substitute t equal to 0. So we can write this what? 3 into e power t 3 minus e power t whole square, substitute t 0. If we substitute t equal to 0 here, we know what is e power, that is equal to 1. So numerator we get 3 by denominator is what? We get 3 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to what? 3 by 2, 3 minus 1 or 2, 2 square equal to what? 4. So therefore we get variance equal to what? E of x equal to 3 by 4, right? So I hope you are session. Thank you.